everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Guys, how you doing? Trust everyone is doing great. Well, I'm about to prepare a dinner, so I would like to show you guys eventually this evening for dinner, because Indomie but is a kind of strange way messy way. Think I say go with some swag. So come with me.
Guys, enwere Indomie, fresh crayfish, green beans, mkpụrụ onion, groundnut oil, and mkpụrụ tomato. Mommy try use it for the first time. Keep on watching.
So guys, now we are boiling the water so that we can pour in the noodles. Then the next step, I grind the little tomatoes, the small ones, because this is the first time I'm using them for this preparation, so I'll look at the result here then.
Guys, this is the grinded tomatoes.
Guys, these are the ingredients that we're about to add to the boiling stew. Ginger powder, thyme, curry powder, garlic powder, and a cube of Maggi. So guys, the noodles are ready and the stew are very okay. So we added the green beans and the fresh crayfish. Wow! I'm gonna keep up with that. Go see for chance. Go see. So guys, here we are. Wow, what a wonderful dinner. You guys are all invited, because I made this two separate, so after these 2 years in, so I have to join everything together, and this is the outcome. So guys, this is the outcome of it. So guys, this is the final result. Wow, what a wonderful dinner. You know, I made this stew separate, so after everything I now join them together. So okay, about the final result. Wow, what a yummy dinner. Well, you guys are all invited. Thanks for watching. Bye and stay well.